What's good, guys? It's Combat here at Infinite Rhythm Productions, and this is the official tutorial for our brand new preset series, the Essential Series. This tutorial specifically focuses on the Pro Tools hip hop rap vocal presets compatible with stock plugins. Let's get into it.
Combat, this is a banger, huh?
Alright, so when you guys first download your pack, you guys are going to get this folder right here. It says Essential Pro Tools Hip Hop Preset Template Stock. That's how you guys know you have the right one. Now we have a README right here, which pretty much takes you to this tutorial right here, as well as a nice little discount for you guys that you could use on our website. So first thing you guys are going to want to do is double click this folder right here. Now as you guys can see, this pack comes with 3 different presets and templates. We have aggressive Bay Area vocals, crisp LA vocals, as well as New York drill warm vocals. Now it's pretty explanatory what they are, but the difference between them is the aggressive Bay Area vocals are just a little bit more in your face, a little distorted, but just right there, just super aggressive. LA vocals, the crisp, it just has more high end to it. So if you guys have more of that type of voice, or your mic is a little bit more on the warmer side, you guys want more of that crispiness, that would be the one for you. Alright, so for this example, we'll start with the crisp LA vocals. I'm going to double click on that. So the first thing you guys are going to do is put in the name. So for this one, we're just going to hit example 1 just to show you guys how it works. File type, we have it as a wave right now. We have sample rate at 48, bit depth 24, which is good. IO settings last used. This helps a lot, so that way you guys, if my inputs or outputs might mess up your stuff, this at least goes to your guys' inputs and outputs, so it works. We make sure we have interleave checked, and then just choose a location. For this one, I'm just going to use the desktop. Then when you're done, you just hit create. Alright, so when you guys first open up the preset and template, you guys are going to get this right here. It's a full template for you guys. We have the place where you drag in the beat. We have your recording track. So for this template, you guys would use this track to record, and then drag and drop to the corresponding track. So whether it's a lead, verse, double or ad lib, or hook lead, hook double, ad lib, we have all those tracks right there. We also have vocal subs that we control and have plugins running through for each one of the main verses or hooks. We got them all right here. We also have our reverb, our New York compression, which is just parallel compression, as well as vocal delay. And I have little notes on the bottom over here just to like kind of better explain or just help you guys remember where everything is at. We have a little bit of some stuff for the master right here. If this is causing any type of latency for you guys, please feel free just to right click and make inactive right here. Make it super easy. And if you guys are having any issues with your inputs and outputs, feel free to go over here up to setup and IO settings, and then you guys could just hit default over here, and it should automatically make everything to how it usually is for you guys. And if you guys are having any latency issues, even after you bypass certain plugins or anything, make sure you go to Playback Engine and make sure your sample rate's around 128. Between 64 and 256 is good. 128 seems to be that good sweet spot. So the first thing you guys are going to do with this template is you guys want to bring in the beat. So all I do is just hit Command-Shift-I, or you guys could go up to here to File, Import, Audio, and then find the ones you guys are looking for. Right now I'm gonna go straight to where my preset are, and I already have some examples to make it easy. Perfect. And I'm gonna put in all the files right now to show you guys. Cool. So the first thing you guys are gonna do is you guys want to bring in the beat and just play it out. Make sure you guys can hear it. Alright, awesome. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete these. There's no need for that. And then I'm going to mute this over here. And the first thing we're going to do is just listen. So like, let's just say you guys just recorded this, right? Like you guys just recorded this. It's on the recording track. We're going to hear how it sounds dry first, and then how it sounds with the preset that we have over here. Let's hear it.
Already knowing who it be. It's D-Boy, but don't forget the BLC. I grow money. I just made a money tree. And me and Dime in this bitch until 3. Splurge Joe, keep on rolling out the pit.
Now let's just drag it down over here and then hear the difference.
You already know who it be. It's D-Boy, but don't forget the BLC. I grow money, I just made a money tree. And me and Dime in this bitch until 3.
Alright, awesome. So you guys could definitely hear the difference between the dry version and the mix. And it's crazy. It's literally just a drag and a drop with that. So it's pretty cool. So another thing is if you guys want to change the tempo, because you guys know we have the echoes and everything on here, you guys could raise the echo, lower the echo. You guys could raise the reverb, lower the reverb, and I'll show you a little bit more of that after. But what I was saying was, if you guys want to change the tempo to make sure the echo matches with the beat, I have other tutorials to show you guys how to use the Pro Tools built-in tap tempo for that. So you guys just make sure you guys watch that. Super easy. Right now I'm just going to show you guys how to raise and lower the reverb and echoes. So
you already know who it be. It's D-Boy, but don't forget the BLC. I grow money, I just made a money tree. And me and Dime in this bitch until 3. Splurge Joe, keep on rolling out the P. Hey, say goddamn, ain't you high, nigga?
So you could really get a lot of control in this. And for you guys that have a little bit more knowledge in like with plugins and everything like that, you guys could go through the EQs and compressors. If you guys want to mess with it a little bit, you guys could definitely do that. I suggest if you guys have no experience to just leave it the way it is. This is a great rough for you guys to be able to just record and not worry about the engineering factor. Just like hear something good enough to where, okay, I get more ideas and keep using your creativity to build off of it instead of having to wear different hats as a producer, engineer. It just takes up so much of your time and energy. It's just better just to get that song completed at the best of your ability. So the next thing we're going to add is the ad-libs. I'm going to bring up the ad-libs right here. I'm just going to play it out like you guys just recorded it and we'll hear the difference.
Hey, let's go. You already know who it be. Who it be? It's D-Boy, but don't forget the BFC. BFC. I grow money, I just made a money tree. Goddamn. And me and Dime in this bitch until 3.
Awesome. Now let's hear it with the ad-lib track.
Hey, let's go. You already know who it be. It's D-Boy, but don't forget the BFC. I grow money, I just made a money tree. And me and Dime in this bitch until 3.
Perfect. So you guys could really hear the difference, and it's the same thing with that. You guys could raise, lower it right here, turn up the reverb, turn up the echo, whatever you guys want to do. You guys have access to it. So another thing is, let's just say I like where my lead verse is. I like how my ad libs are. I just want to raise everything together. That's where these tracks will come in. So I could just do this.
You already know who it be. It's D-Boy, but don't forget the BFC. I grow money, I just made a money tree. And me and Dime in this bitch until 3. Splurge Joe, keep on rolling out the P.
So you guys see how easy that is. Awesome. And another thing too is if you guys are recording, you guys are punching in, it's easy to duplicate any of these tracks. So if I wanted to duplicate this verse lead, all I go is here to duplicate. I usually click off the active and alternative playlists. I just hit OK. So if I'm over here punching in and I'm over here punching this in, I punch this in, I punch this in, and I punch this in. That's how it kind of look if you're like a punch and rapper or something like that. So that pretty much concludes our tutorial. The same thing works for the other 2 presets for the Bay Area aggressive vocals as well as the New York drill vocals. If you guys really like this way these presets and templates look and sound, please feel free to check out our website at www.infinitrhythmpresets.com. We have the Essential series, but we also have our other series, the Clear Vocal Preset series, as well as our Telephone Effects expansion pack. And it seems like we just keep expanding these presets, so make sure you guys check them out. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to contact me on Instagram at combat_K. I'll make sure I put the link in the description. And if this really helped you guys out, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, because that helps me out a lot so I can continue to help you guys out. Let's get it.